Welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how to open and close a file in Python. So let's see. So in last video, we saw that we use open keyword to open a file in Python program. So how to open? Just use open keyword and here you pass file path. So as here you can see, this is my file and this is my Python file and this is my text file and I want this file to open. So how I can open this file? So just pass its file path in open because these both file are available in same folder, so we can use its name just its name as file path because these both Python file and text file are available in same folder. So we can just use file name as file path. So what was the file name? Here you can see. So it is intro.txt. So just pass intro.txt. You should remember that we have to include the file path. We have to include the file path in double quotes or single quotes. So but just it has opened the file. So now execute this file. So now you can see this is file. I opened this file. It has opened the file. So it is saying that what is the name of file we have open and what is the mode of file. So it is R, saying this mode of file is R. R means read read only. I will discuss mode of file mode of opening a file in next video. So here just for now you can remember that R is read only mode of file and this is encoding. How encoding means like ASCII encoding, Unicode encoding. So this is encoding of content in our file. So what are in this file? So for this we can use read we can use read 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 method to read all the content from file. So just use read method. So this is open the file. It has opened. Now read the file. So it read. So you can see hello, my name is Neha and thank you. Here you can see this was my file. So hello, my name is Neha, thank you. So just if I want to print it, so just print this file. So just print. So it will return that like this. So here you can see it is returning the all content of the file. So what read do? It will read all the content of file. So let's do it in different way. Like I open the file, open and file intro.txt and I assign to F. So this open file has been assigned to F. Now what is F? F is actually file handler you can say, or you can say a pointer which are being used to handle the file or perform the operation. This pointer will perform the operation. So when I check what is file F, so it is IO wrapper, text IO wrapper, input output wrapper. This is, you can see it is it you can say this is file handler and you can say it a pointer as well. So if I want to read the all content, you can f dot read. So you can see that there is hello, then slash n, again slash n, then my name is Neha, slash n, thank you, slash n is next line. That is why. So if I want to print it, so just print print it. Uh, so this, why it is not printing? So let's check this out. F.read, and this, it is empty. Why it is empty now? So let's check it is empty or not. It is not empty. Again opening. So intro.txt. It is not empty. Why it is empty? Saying it is empty. Why? So I have to check this out. Again open this file. Open .txt, then f, then f.read, and then again f.read. So because we are reading again, after reading, why we are again after reading all the content, we want to read more. That is why it is returning empty string. So you can think like this. It, when we open the file, our pointer start with here. You can, before, from starting here, and after using read command, it will read all the content. So it read all the content and pointer came here. So after applying again read keyword, so so how it can read? So after this, after thank you, there is no content. That is why it is reading no content. So I think you understood how we can open the file. So now let's check it is open, file is open or not. We can use closed command to check that it is open or not. So that f dot closed, it is saying false, it is open. So we have to close the file if we don't want to work with file anymore, because it is using memory. So we have to close the file after performing operations on the file. So just close the file. Close using close operation. So f dot close. So now it is closed. So let's check f is open or not. So again execute closed f dot closed. So it is returning it is true, means it is closed now, and now we cannot perform any operations because the file has been closed. You can verify like this. F dot read, read, then again. So you can see input output operation on closed file. So there is value error because it has been, file has been closed, and we want to read content from a closed file. That is it. That is why it is raising a value error. So now I think you understood how to open a file and how to close a file and how we can read all the content from file using read content, and why we have to close the file because of memory usage. If file remain open, it will use the memory, and if we don't need for any operations to perform on file, so it is better to close the file. It will reduce the memory usage. Why we have to use memory? So I think you understood these concepts. So in next video we will see opening a file, how modes of opening a file. So thanks for watching. Like this, in this you saw that here uh, open again you see that it is returning mode of is R. So here R is mode of opening a file. So we will discuss more modes in detail in next video. So thanks for watching this video.